Amanda. Pegboard has always been a really awesome way to organize things on a wall. However, traditional pegboard might not look so nice in, say, your living room. Well, we have a brand new solution that you're going to love. It's a brand new take on traditional pegboard. It's made out of wood, it's oversized, and it's modular. Not only does it look great, but it also helps you organize and display all of your favorite things. This pegboard is really awesome because you can customize it to match any room or decor that you have in your home, keeping you organized, on trend, and making that perfect space for you. This is so easy to hang because of the T-slot on the back. Guesswork is eliminated because you can see what you're doing from the front, making leveling and hanging a breeze. You can use the pegboard to mark for screws when you're getting ready to hang. It's that easy. The modular design of this pegboard is what makes it really unique, allowing you to customize a layout to fit your space. There's a variety of plug-in pieces that help you organize and hang just about anything, allowing you to mix and match or even tile the boards together. You can add or change anything that you want later. You can start off with a few affordable pieces and then add on later if you want to, or you could do a whole wall and just go for it. The wood looks amazing unfinished, but it's awesome because you're able to customize it however you want to. Paint it, stain it, you can even do accent pieces, whatever color you want. Enjoy your space with your new pegboard statement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.